At incubatorwarehouse.com, we often get asked the question, what is the difference between the HovaBator incubator and the Little Giant incubator? One of the key differences is the thermostat that's used in each. The HovaBator uses a wafer-style thermostat, which is what you see here. This is a basic thermostat which uses a two-stacked wafer system. These wafers are filled with a gas that's very sensitive to temperature change. As temperature increases, the gas expands, causing the wafer to get thicker, and it turns on and off a small switch that's located in this yellow part of the thermostat. You may be able to hear that switch turning off and on. Adjusting it is as simple as what you're seeing me do here. You simply turn this knob, get it to the right temperature based on your thermometer reading, use this little wing nut to lock it into place, and you're good to go. It's that simple. The Little Giant, on the other hand, uses a simple thermostat. It's an electronic thermostat. By unscrewing two screws on the top of the incubator and unplugging it first, you can remove this, and this is what you see. A simple board with some very simple components, and this is what makes it an electronic thermostat. It uses circuitry to turn the power on and off. A very simple red light tells you when the power is on and off, and a control knob you turn clockwise to make it warmer, counterclockwise to make it cooler. Some of the pros and cons of each of these. The HovaBator wafer style is pretty much problem free. Once you've got it set, it's very reliable. They last a long time. They don't fail very often. It's an older design. It is still around because it's very effective, very sensitive to temperature change. And as you adjust it, you can move the switch quite a ways and only move the temperature a little bit, which is very good when you're trying to hone in to a very precise temperature. The Little Giant, on the other hand, when you turn the knob, a small turn can adjust the temperature a lot. So you've got to be very careful to turn it just tiny bits at a time as you're honing it in to your final 99.5 temperature target. That is the primary difference between the Little Giant and the HovaBator incubator. There are a few other differences that we'll talk about in different videos, but that's the primary difference, which is the wafer-style mechanical thermostat in the HovaBator and the electronic thermostat in the Little Giant.